Good morning, Sat Sri Akal, Jo Bole So Nihal.
Welcome to the Grand Silver Jubilee Alumni celebration of 1982 IMS BHU batch.
May I request all of you to please switch off your mobiles or put them in vibrating mode. Om Shri Guruve Namah.
Respected Professor B.N.S. Bhatnagar, the Medical Superintendent Dr. Churamani Gopal, Dean Dr. T.M. Mahapatra, all our beloved teachers,
batchmates and their family members.
I, Sulekha Singh and Dr. Subhir Singh jointly welcome you all on behalf of the organizing committee of 1982 batch. आप महानुभावों का हम हार्दिक अभिनंदन करते हैं। हम आप सबका इस्तकबाल करते हैं। स्वागत है पुनः आज हमारे प्रांगण में, स्वागत है पुनः आज हमारे IMS के प्रांगण में, इस छोटी सी उपवन में, इस छोटी सी कुटिया में, BHU के प्रांगण में हम एकत्रित हुए हैं और आवश्यक है कि हम अपने संस्थापक पिता पंडित मदन मोहन मालवीय जी के चरणों में श्रद्धा के 2 फूल अर्पित करके आगे बढ़ें। इस महान व्यक्तित्व को सिल्वर टंग ऑफ इंडिया की उपाधि मिली है। जन समुदाय ने इन्हें महानामा का उपाधि दी है।
Now I would request Professor B.N.S. Bhatnagar, the chief guest, and Dr. Churamani and Dr. T.M. Mahapatra to garland the bust statue of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya and light the lamp. I request the President of the Shiv Prasad Sharma of this society to come and please accompany me.
सुमन का हार लेकर आपके सम्मुख खड़े हैं हम, सुमन का हार लेकर आपके सम्मुख खड़े हैं हम, इसे स्वीकार कर लीजिए शिष्य समझकर एकदम। दीप प्रज्वलन करके हम इस कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ करेंगे। Lead us from darkness to light. शुभम करोति कल्याणम आरोग्यम धन संपदा शत्रु बुद्धि विनाशाय दीप ज्योतिर नमस्तुते। May I request the guests to please take their seats on the dais.
करें श्रीमान का, है कहाँ इस योग्य हम स्वागत करें श्रीमान का, पर विदुर ने प्रेम से न्योता भेजा भगवान को।
Quick to present the bouquets to our guests. Father, the chief guest.
The stage little large heart and wish to accommodate all of you in it. I hope our teachers won't mind if they don't find us place on the dais. They occupy our hearts and they rule over it.
Following the tradition of Aditi Devo Bhava, I request the garlands and the flowers to be offered to the guests.
करूं क्या मैं स्वागत इस दिव्य मुहूर्त का, हृदय के थाल में भरकर मात्र पत्रम पुष्पम ही है लाया।
As per tradition, let's start with full gift of BHU. I invite Shilpa Agarwal, Jyotsna and Jigyasa Singh to come and sing the full gift.
श्रेष्ठ की राजधानी, राजधानी मधुर मनोहर अतीब सुंदर ये सर्ववेद्य की राजधानी, राजधानी यहाँ की है ये पवित्र शिक्षा के सत्य पहले फिर आत्मरक्षा के हरिश्चंद्र के यहीं पर ये सत्य शिक्षा की राजधानी, राजधानी मधुर मनोहर अतीब सुंदर ये सर्ववेद्य की राजधानी, राजधानी सुरम्य धाराएं वरुणासी नहाए जिनमें कबीर तुलसी, भला हो कविता का क्यों ना कर ये बाग वेद्य की राजधानी, राजधानी मधुर मनोहर अतीव सुंदर ये सर्ववेद्य की राजधानी, राजधानी ये मानवी जी की देशभक्ति, ये उनका साहस, ये उनकी शक्ति प्रकट हुई है नवीन होकर ये कर्मवीर की राजधानी, राजधानी मधुर मनोहर अतीब सुंदर ये सर्ववेद्य की राजधानी,
हंसवाहिनी वीणा वादिनी मुझ पर दया करो, हे हंसवाहिनी वीणा वादिनी मुझ पर दया करो, मेरे अंधिया वे मन में मां, मेरे अंधिया वे मन में मां, ले प्रकाश उतरो मुझ पर दया करो, हे हंसवाहिनी वीणा वादिनी मुझ पर दया करो, मेरे सूने मन आंगन में, मेरे सूने मन आंगन में मां, नेह का मेह झरो मुझ पर दया करो, हे हंसवाहिनी वीणा वादिनी मुझ पर दया करो, कलुष भेद तब अंधकार को मां, कलुष भेद तब अंधकार को मां, मन से दूर करो मुझ पर दया करो, हे हंसवाहिनी वीणा वादिनी मुझ पर दया करो, मुझ पर दया करो, मुझ पर दया करो। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Neha.
कंटिन्यूस करते रहना।
Sunday comes after a 6-day wait. And today being Sunday, your presence here shows you're giving importance to our invitation over other things. It's heartening to see our teachers over here. And dear teachers, we feel honored.
It gives immense pleasure to see most of our batchmates in the same institute again after near 2.5 decades. and that too with your family members. It will be fun meeting you and knowing your progress. We have waited for this day from long and have put in our best to try to make it a memorable event. We started planning with just a bunch of few batchmates. But now that all of you have come and joined us, we will jointly leave no stone unturned to make this get-together a memorable event. Unity is our strength.
We welcome all of you in the auditorium once again. English literature is very rich, and the ages have been named as Shakespearean age, Miltonian age, and Tennysonian age. BHU also has an age. Let it be called Utopian age, a tribute to the great scholar of the medical fraternity. Despite your hectic schedule, you've made it here. But a few of our colleagues could not come. Perhaps the old habit of bunking classes at IMS BHU may be one of the reasons. And my dear friends, you have made proxy attendance by sending in regret letters.
Many important events happened in the year 1982, but the best was the selection at IMS BHU. This made us batchmates. A strong bond of unity which we all enjoy. When we joined here, we were like stones. It was our teachers' efforts who chiseled us and made us gems.
Shakespeare had said, all that glitters is not gold. But perhaps they didn't have teachers like ours who would chisel all shining, glittering things to gold. Let Shakespeare wriggle in his grave if he doesn't agree with us. But I can proudly say, for 1982 IMS BHU batch, that all that glitters is actually gold. And our teachers surely will back us.
It is natural to die as to be born. With a heavy heart, I want to inform all of you about the untimely and the sad demise of two of our batchmates, Dr. Sanjay Agarwal and Dr. Sunil Sinha. Many of our teachers too have departed for their heavenly abode, like Dr. Shelan Sharma, Professor S.K. Roy, just to name a few.
May I request all of you to please stand and in silence for 2 minutes in their remembrance. May their soul rest in peace.
With kind permission of our teachers, we would like to speak about our batch and batchmates.
1982 batchmate is a unique batch in many ways. 7 समंदर, 7 रंग, 7 अजूबे और 7 सुर सभी ने सुना होगा, पर एक ही बैच में 8 सुपर स्पेशलिस्ट निकलना बहुत कम ही लोगों ने सुना होगा.
Of course, they are like Rajesh Agarwal, MCH Europe, Shiv Prasad Sharma, MCH Pediatric Surgery, myself Dr. Sudhir Singh, MCH Plastic Surgery, Pradeep Pawar, DM Nephrology, Manoj Kumar, DM Gastroenterology, Alok Gupta, DM Urology, Sunil Kejriwal, DM Gastro, and MS Rawat, MCH Europe.
लोग कहते हैं बदलता है ज़माना अक्सर, लोग कहते हैं बदलता है ज़माना अक्सर, आदमी वो है जो ज़माने को बदल दे.
Each one of us is a proud flag bearer of the 1982 batch. One of our batchmate is a reader in IMS BHU in pediatric surgery, that's Dr. Shiv Prasad.